Hi, in front of me is Blackview A80 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply live wallpaper called Shadow Galaxy. Firstly, open Play Store and type Shadow Galaxy. Then, download this app from this developer. Now open it, click Settings and customize your wallpaper however you want to. When you're done, go back and choose Open. Then tap at the top right corner on Set Wallpaper and decide if you want it to be on home screen or home screen and lock screen by tapping on one of the options. Now when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!